Sanibonani-ke guys, uzama ukuhle mafuleka lo. Namhlanje bengisebenzisa i-Heinz Southern Coating breadcrumbs, ngenza i-pita bread nama-crumbed mushrooms. Uzoqala ngokwenza isosi yakho, uhlanganisa i-plain yogurt, garlic, fresh lemon, white pepper ne-olive oil, ebese ukumixa ndawonye. Angifuni nje uqamba amanga. Enye yezinto engiyithanda ngo-Heinz Southern Coating breadcrumbs ukuthi ave kulula ukusebenzisa kuma-meals akho. Uma uthanda ungabheka ku-oven, uma uthanda ungapheka kwi-air fryer, uma futhi uthanda unga-deep fry, kuya ngakuthi ufuna ukuyisebenzisa kanjani. And then moving over to your mushrooms, uzomixa uflour, usawoti, garlic powder no-black pepper, umixe ndawonye. Kwenye ibhawuli ufaka amaqanda, kwenye ibhawuli ufaka nangiya usingaye i-Heinz Southern Coating breadcrumbs. And then uthatha iskewer sakho, uthatha i-mushroom, uqala ngokufaka uflour, ulandelisa ngeqanda, ebese ugcina kulaphaya kuma-breadcrumbs. Nansi-ke into esalayo bafethu, nawu uplug, ake nginike nawu uplug. You stand a chance of winning i-instant vortex air fryer oven. Okwakho nje ukuthi upheke usebenzise i-Heinz Southern Coating, uthathe isithombe, ungakhohlwa ukuveza eceleni u-Heinz Southern Coating. And then you take u-Heinz spices kuma-meals akho. The more pictures you share, the more chances of you winning. Ebese-ke guys, uthatha i-pita bread yakho, uyayitoasta for 1 minute, ustafa ama-mushrooms akho ase-right, ufake red onion wakho, ufake i-jalapeno, ebese ufake isosi yakho. Ngeke kuze usinike singaboni lapho.